Okay, I'm just going to come around to the other side now to get the gas bottle out, and then I'll show you how to connect it to your cooker. But to open the cooker, just lift it up here, and then these just lock into the sides. So that one, I'll lock up this side. Get my fingers right. There you go. Just lock that in there, and that side will just sit that side. Now, the gas connector goes onto the side here, and I'll show you that. And then you just turn on your gas. So I'll just grab your gas bottle. So it's kept in this drawer here. And if we lift that up, you can see you've got a full array, but we'll go through all of that in a moment. So when you've got your gas bottle, just take the cap off first. And then in this drawer, you'll have your gas connector. So this end here goes to the gas bottle, and this end here goes to the cooker. So come around and I'll show you how to connect that. So with this one here, just pull that forward, pop it in until it just pushes in, and it only just needs to be finger tight. You don't have to do it up like with a spanner or anything, just finger tight sufficient. Then you get your gas bottle. Make sure your knobs are all off before you start. And then you just connect on and screw on the gas bottle, like so. Once that's connected, then it's just a straight matter of turning on the knob and pressing the igniter switch to light the gas. Once you've finished with your cooking, turn off your switches, release your gas bottle. You will hear a bit of a psh sound. It's just the last bit of pressure coming out of the bottle, but it's nothing to worry about. So you'll just hear that little noise. Unscrew this again. And as I said, it only needs to be finger tight. Pull that one out. Pop your cap back onto your gas bottle and pop that away. Once you're finished, make sure you give the stove a wipe down. Then release the windshields. In like that, close down the lid, lock that off. And then under the bottom here, there's two little knobs. And all you need to do is press those up and drop the cooker down.